Ever feel like you're always on the go, but your bank account doesn't show it? You're juggling work, side hustles, and maybe even school or family stuff, but to financial growth. Still crawling, it's a frustrating feeling, like you're sprinting on a treadmill that doesn't go anywhere. This is the time-money paradox, and most of us are stuck in it. In American culture, being busy is almost like a badge of honor. We treat busyness like it's the same as being productive, but that's not always true. We're running fast, but often in circles, chasing tasks instead of outcomes. That's not hustle, that's burnout on autopilot. Time is actually one of your most powerful assets, but because we can't see it, we tend to waste it. We schedule everything else, but not our goals. Imagine if we treated our time like money in a vault. Every hour spent would feel way more valuable. That shift alone could change everything. Bad planning isn't just an inconvenience, it's expensive. When we don't plan well, we miss deadlines, skip priorities, and burn ourselves out. The real cost: lost opportunities and energy we can't get back. So it's not about doing more, it's about doing what matters. What if I told you your calendar is your real bank account? Every unchecked box, every missed block of time, it's like leaving dollars on the table. Hey everyone, I'm Max, your host here on the Max Focus channel, where we help you rewire your mind and redesign your life. If you're serious about building wealth starting with your mindset, make sure to hit that subscribe button. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. In this video, you'll learn 7 calendar habits that can actually turn your time into money. So grab a coffee, and let's map your day like a millionaire. What if your calendar was your paycheck? Imagine every hour you spent either added or subtracted money from your invisible bank account. Time isn't just ticking, it's trading. The way you spend it shapes the wealth you build. Would you waste 3 hours on TikTok if your calendar paid you? Think of time like cash. If you saw $100 slipping out of your wallet every hour you scrolled, would you still scroll? Every moment matters when you're on the journey to wealth. Don't let your hours float. Assign every hour a job. Your calendar should look like a strategy map, not a blank sheet. Each block of time is like a step on your money quest. When time has a purpose, results follow. Set purpose blocks every day, for income, health, and love. Just 1 hour for each can change your entire life. You don't need 10 hours, you need intention. Design your day like you're building a masterpiece. Most people fill their day with errands, chores, and random tasks, then hope to find time for money-making later. Flip the script. Schedule income-building work before anything else. This small shift can multiply your results. Put your wealth work first. Imagine your first 3 hours as golden eggs. These are your most powerful hours. Don't waste them on distractions. Guard them like treasure. That's when real value gets built. Freelancers know the secret. Protect your mornings for real work. No meetings, no calls, just building skill or delivering client value. Even employees can use early hours for a side hustle. You win the day by owning the morning. The rule is simple. No emails, no errands, no BS before 10 a.m. Only focus, value, and growth. The early hours are your secret weapon. Use them with intention and you'll see real change. Most of us race through the week without ever pausing to just think. But deep thinking isn't a luxury, it's a shortcut to clarity. When you don't block time to think, you risk wasting hours solving the wrong problem. Clarity, gained in quiet moments, saves both time and money. Jeff once spent weeks working on something that didn't matter. He never stopped to ask if it was the right thing to do. A single thinking session could have saved him thousands of dollars and hours of time. One pause would have changed the entire course of his journey. Here's a powerful tool: the empty chair exercise. Once a week, schedule 30 minutes with 0 devices, no distractions. Just you, a notepad, and your thoughts. It's in that space that the best ideas surface. Ask yourself this weekly: what's one thing I'm doing that doesn't need to be done at all? That question alone can clear your calendar more than any to-do list. Thinking creates space, and space creates profit. Welcome to another habit that turns time into money. It's called money hygiene. It's not fancy, but it's powerful. Think of it as the financial version of brushing your teeth. Skip it too many times and you'll feel the pain. These tiny 10-minute tasks can save you hours later. Meet Leo. Every Sunday, He does what he calls the Sunday sweep. He reviews his budget, updates his calendar, and checks in on his monthly goals, all in 30 minutes. It keeps his finances in shape and gives him peace of mind for the week ahead. Money hygiene is like brushing your teeth. Not exciting, but if you skip it for too long, it gets painful and expensive. Regular check-ins prevent financial messes from piling up. Just 10 minutes once or twice a week can make a big difference. It's small now, big later. Want to make it stick? Add a recurring calendar reminder. It's like making an appointment with your future self. This tiny commitment keeps your life on track without even trying. Time it right, and it'll feel automatic. We live in a world that celebrates non-stop hustle, but if we never pause, we break. The highest performers aren't working all the time. They schedule rest with intention. That's how they stay in the game long term. Melissa used to work 12-hour days, thinking more hustle meant more success. But one day, she just crashed, burned out, and exhausted. That's when she started scheduling no activity time in her calendar. And surprisingly, she got more done and earned even more. Think of it like your phone. You can't expect it to run full power when it's stuck at 1% battery. You've got to stop, plug in, and recharge or it just dies. The same is true for your mind and energy. Start with simple buffer zones, 15-minute breaks between big activities. These moments let your mind breathe, reset, and prepare. You'll feel sharper and perform better. Small pauses equals big results. Every habit we build is like planting a seed that grows into something powerful. When done daily, routines become the compound interest of time. One small action every day can add up to massive gains. Your habits are shaping your future every minute. I start every day with a quick 10-minute routine. I checks my calendar, write down priorities, and maps my mission. That small ritual sets him up for success, guiding every decision he makes, a tiny setup that saves hours later. Dave used to dash around every evening, never planning meals, always stressed. Takeout became his default and it drained his wallet fast. If he had a simple dinner routine, he could have saved thousands and had more energy. A routine would have changed everything. Want to see the real impact? Use a simple tracker. Just list your habits, the time they take, and the money they save. You'll be surprised how small routines build big results. Track it to stack it. Habit number 7 is all about making small weekly course corrections. Just like pilots adjust mid-air to stay on course, you need to adjust your calendar every week. Don't just set and forget. Adapt as you go. Success is a moving target, so aim weekly. Max has a Sunday power hour where he reviews his week. He looks at what worked, what didn't, and moves blocks around in his schedule. It's not just planning, it's strategizing for the next battle. Sunday isn't rest, it's mission prep. Think of it like checking your fitness tracker. Would you work out all week and never check your progress? The same goes for your time. Check it, track it, tweak it. Feedback is the fuel that powers better weeks. Use the what, why, how framework to analyze your week. What worked well? Why did it work? How can you do it again? This simple habit turns a scattered schedule into a winning system. Your calendar isn't a to-do list, it's a money-making system. Each habit you build is a deposit into your freedom fund. Time doesn't drift, you either direct it or lose it. That's why habits matter. They're the compass to your outcomes. If you found value in this, smash the like button, subscribe, and share with someone who's always busy but never ahead. Drop a comment below. Which calendar habit will you start today? This is the Max Focus channel. Rewire your mind. Redesign your life. Remember, your time is your most loyal asset. Treat it like gold, and it will pay you back in freedom. See you in the next one.